Hi, this is Marius from INNEO, and today's Creo 4 tips and techniques session I will show you how you can update your parameters for all your components directly from the assembly. So you do not have to go to the component and open it up by itself to change the parameter information. So let's say this was the information, you have to change it at the actual component. If I go back to my assembly and change the display of my model tree and add the columns for the parameters, I can go to my model parameter drop-down list, add the description line and apply that to show all that information in my model tree. This will allow me to change the parameters directly in the assembly without opening up each component, and I will also be able to check if I've actually filled in all the parameters. So let's make sure I'm filling in the information for the right component. So what I can also do is to switch on my pre-highlight for my model tree, and that will be that component. So you can say this will be the stud and there I filled in the information for that component, and since this component was placed multiple times in this assembly, it will show for all of them. If I go to the next component, so this is another stud, so I can go and update that information as well, and it will update for all the instances as well. There I've got another component, so and I can easily update them all directly from my assembly. Thank you for watching.